how to organize files or content in Google Drive. If you want to organize files or content within Google Drive, it is fairly simple to do so. Based on however you want to sync them together, right from the Google Drive homepage, these are the interfaces you will see. On the homepage, you will see all of the suggested files and folders. Now, if you go to My Drive on the left hand side, you will see all of the drives or files that you own within the Google services like Google Docs, Google Sheets, and so on. So if you want to organize these together, we can first of all create a folder. So on the left hand side at the top, you can click on the new button. You can choose to create a new folder and name this folder, and whatever files that you want within this folder, you can categorize them and drag them towards that particular folder. It's as simple as that. If you want to get rid of a certain folder, you can always click the three dots option next to it and click on the move to trash button. If you want to clear up your storage, you can go to trash and empty all of the trash files that you no longer need. If you want to see the folders that are shared with you, you can go to share with me and you'll find all the files that are shared with you. If you go to computers, you will see all of the folders syncing with your drive for desktop. But if you have not used this, you will see it completely empty. And this way you can organize files or content within Google Drive. Hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.